Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla oatmeal, updated. Measure oats and liquid, then combine them in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir gently as the mixture warms to prevent sticking and encourage even cooking. Add vanilla and a pinch of salt once the oats begin to thicken, then reduce heat to low and simmer until creamy. Finish with sweetener and toppings to taste for a perfect bowl. Warm up your flavor game by adding ingredients at the right time so they meld properly. Vanilla goes in while oats thicken, sweetener at the end so you control sweetness, and fats like butter add silkiness without overcooking. Try cinnamon or nutmeg for aromatic lift and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Toasted nuts or fruit added at the end keep texture lively and satisfying. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is a comfortable, glare-free way to read recipes while cooking or relaxing with breakfast, and it fits neatly by the stove or table. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy updates and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texture matters, so adjust liquid and cooking times to your preference and lifestyle. Stirring during stovetop cooking creates creaminess, while overnight oats are convenient and yield a chewier texture. Mix-ins like seeds, dried fruit, or nut butter can be stirred in before chilling or sprinkled on top after cooking for contrast. Small tweaks give you a consistent breakfast that feels personal and delicious every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.